How to fix low volume on AirPods. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and try to clean the AirPods as dust, lint or wax can block the speakers and dramatically reduce the volume. So you can use a soft dry brush or a clean dry toothbrush and gently clean the speaker mesh, the microphone mesh and the charging case openings, and make sure not to use any type of liquids or sharp objects. Now go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on music option. If you don't see music, scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps and then tap on music. Here go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for sound check and also toggle off the toggle button for volume limit. Next, go back to settings and then tap on sounds and haptics and then tap on the headphone safety option you see there. Further, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for headphone notifications. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can reset volume sync. So simply play the music and then press the volume down to 0 and then turn off Bluetooth for the time being and then turn Bluetooth back on and then try to raise the volume and see if that fixes your issue. If not, go back to settings and tap on accessibility and then tap on audio and visual option. Further, you will see the option for balance. Make sure the slider is in center for balance. You can then go ahead and try to reset your AirPods if your issue is still not fixed. So put the AirPods in case and then close the lid for 30 seconds and then open the lid again. Now hold the back button for 15 seconds until it flashes amber to white. Now then go ahead and reconnect it. Next, in settings again, scroll down and tap on app and then tap on music. Here go ahead and set EQ to off, so tap on EQ and then tap on the off option. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can try to test with a different device and see if the issue is with your AirPods or if the issue is with your iPhone. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix low volume on AirPods. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.